Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Nintendo Switch into the TV dock, then plug the dock's HDMI cable into an available TV HDMI input so the TV receives video. Next, attach the AC adapter and confirm the dock shows power. This powers local Bluetooth and wired modes. Now wake the controller you plan to use, Joy-Con or Pro controller, and check battery level so pairing doesn't fail midway. Once done, make sure TV input is set to the dock's HDMI source before moving to pairing. You now choose the connection method. For Joy-Con, slide them onto the switch rails, while docked or press sync via controllers, change grip/order to pair wirelessly. For a Pro controller, connect a USB-C cable from the controller to the dock for an immediate wired connection, or hold the sync button to pair wirelessly after several seconds. Once paired, go to System Settings on the console to verify controllers appear and to adjust button mapping or vibration. This prevents surprises during gameplay. Finish by confirming controller icons show on the TV menu and by testing button inputs in a simple game or the controller test screen. This proves both video and controls work together. If you see no TV signal, double-check the HDMI cable, TV input, and dock power. Try a different HDMI port or cable to isolate the issue. If pairing repeatedly fails, restart the console, fully charge the controller, reduce nearby wireless interference, then retry the wireless sync process until the controller stays connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.